Where does it go? Right there?
I see a strength and a courage in my son that I don't know where it comes from. You know, he doesn't really understand everything that's going on. He's just like, okay, well, this is part of life.
And Dr. Choi sat down with us and told us, I hate to be the one to tell you this, but your son does have leukemia.
It changes the way you perceive the world. It changes the way that you look at other people, as well as your own life, and just how vulnerable life can be. When somebody tells you your child has cancer, I think the first thing you think of is death. And how much time do we have with our child? If you have that opportunity to go to a specialized hospital, then you do it.
We know he's getting the top care. There's no other place I'd rather be.
All of them approach Zeke as if he was one of their very own children. And whenever we come in, there's always an excitement. Even though we had this life and death situation staring us in the face, we knew that there was a plan. And we knew that we were in for a fight. Zeke is doing very well. He's hitting all the marks that doctors want him to. We continue to be in what's called maintenance, where we do a lot of home therapy and then we come in once a month. And that pretty much will be our routine for the next year. There's something really, really special about our son. And I know 20 years from now I'm going to be able to look back and say, this is where it started.